Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best survival shovels. Here are the top 3 survival shovels that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Sallia Unbreakable Survival Shovel. It is made of a single piece of steel, so it's very durable and won't break. It can be used for digging through snow, dirt, sand, or other surfaces. Its blade is angled back to help you dig in hard-to-reach areas. Its handle is ergonomically designed to reduce hand fatigue. Its compact size makes it easy to store in your car or backpack. At number 2. Camping Shovel MOSFiATA 30 Military Folding Shovel. It is a durable, reliable shovel that's designed to be lightweight and easy to carry. It has a sharp blade for cutting through tough ground or ice, as well as an ergonomic handle with shock-absorbing grip. This shovel is perfect for camping trips because it can fold up easily and fit in your backpack. It folds up into a compact 11 length for easy carrying in backpacks or camping gear. It includes nylon sheath to protect the blade during transport. At number 1. Sahara Sailor Survival Shovel with Axe. This survival shovel with axe is a multi-purpose tool for any situation. It includes an axe, shovel, hammer, and saw. Its handle can be used as a spear in the event of an emergency. It is designed to be used for digging, chopping, and cutting. Its blade is made from a durable steel that can withstand extreme conditions. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.